Hello, today I'll be providing a demonstration on how to use the lookup function in Airboxer. So for this example, what we're going to first do is to populate our spreadsheet with some data from Google Search Console, and then see how we can use the lookup button, the lookup functionality to append data from Google Analytics into the same spreadsheet. So the first thing I want to do is to populate my spreadsheet with data. You can use the import button in the side panel, but in this case I created an AirHop with clicks and impressions data from Google Search Console. So I'm going to run that to populate my existing spreadsheet. Now, right here, Google Search Console only gives us organic impressions and clicks. If we wanted to see like the number of users and the number of sessions on the website, again organized by date, you're going to have to source that information from another data source. In our case, it would be Google Analytics. So in order to append those columns to your existing spreadsheet, that is where we're going to have to use the lookup functionality. So we're going to click on a new column, click on lookup, and then click on the data source from which you want to get your new columns of data from. In this case, it would be Google Analytics, be in the audience table. Here we want to click on the date column, and this is really important because we need to have the users and the sessions data match the dates that we see in the date column of our existing spreadsheet. And you want to select the date. We also want to see the user data as well as the sessions data. And here is where we have to match the keys. So we want to match the date column of our active sheet, which is the Google Search Console data that you see on the spreadsheet right here, with the date column on our newly imported data. And this will ensure that the users and the sessions get populated in the correct rows according to the date. And so once you've matched those keys, you can just click on complete lookup, and that will immediately append these two new columns of user and sessions data to your existing spreadsheet from Google Analytics. And this is just a brief overview of how to use lookup. Stay subscribed to the channel to learn any more new tips about how to use Airboxer.